My name is Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get up off the floor with the knee replacement. So let's pretend I had knee replacement. My right side, my mobility is not quite as well as my left side, and I'm still pretty sensitive, so I can't really kneel down on my right knee, or at least I don't want to. Right? So how do I get up and off the floor? All right, here's how I do it. So I'm going to try to turn to the left side, and then I'm going to come up into the hands and lift your hips up, like so. Okay, I'll do it again. And same way, we're getting down onto the floor without putting the knee down onto the floor. You can do that. You can reach your hands down, or if that's too hard, and then you can just reach your hands down to the couch, the chairs, and then you can lower yourself down. But anyways, let's go down here. I'm going to turn like so. So notice I'm not really putting my right knee down onto the floor at all, right? Here I'm down on the floor again, and let's just continue. One more time, practice. Going over this way. Okay, so I'm really going to bring my weight over here. So I have to, okay, as you can see, I have to shift my weight over here to lift my pelvis off the floor, like that. Walk my hands back. Here I am. Stand it up. Okay, so it's actually, I'm not really putting either knee down onto the floor. So if you really pay attention, see how I did it. Okay, but it depends on how strong you are through your arms, okay, through your core. And that might make it easier, or that might make it harder for you. Yeah. I can do that as well. Okay, so it's just one way. There are more ways to do that without putting your knee down. But let's just, you can try this one and let me know what you think. And if it does work, great. But if it doesn't work for you, then let me know what part it did not work for you. I appreciate it if you can write that down in the comment section so that I can maybe create another video to maybe problem solve that. All right? And thanks for watching. And if you like this video, and please hit the like button. And then if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. And thank you very much. And I will see you next video. Bye-bye.